विसवा उपरांत परत येवकार. दाबोळेच्या बायलां खातीर पंचायत मंत्र्यान सोमारा शिवण प्रशिक्षण क्लासींचे उक्तावण केले. बोगदाच्या शिप बिल्डिंग तंत्रज्ञान संस्थे मार्फत ह्या प्रशिक्षणाक सुरवात केल्ली आसा. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
We have given tailoring classes to Institute of Shipbuilding in two areas of my constituency, and that's how you saw maximum women present here. But along with that, we took also a review of what is to be done, what is not done. But the feedback that I get in most of the colonies and most of the areas I go, most of the works are done. So people literally have no complaints. So I said, along with the development that has to take place, human resources development is the most important. So keeping women busy doing something constructive, being active is the most important thing, and therefore in that direction to make them self-sufficient, to stand on their own feet, we are opening these tailoring classes wherein they will not only learn, thereafter they will start their own tailoring, stitch their own clothes. So it will something for their betterment and empowerment of the women in that sense.